Guys, senzele xaba. Umuntu onjani lo? Okwaza i-ex-girlfriend yakhe nge-screwdriver, and it's not the first time. Uqale ngoFebruary when he took her to Emlazi and then wamvezela umbese. And then when they dump him, and then he comes and ahlukumeze le family azahlukumeze noma kaBongeka. Why? And then you want bail. Where are you gonna get the bail from? And then you citing that you have 5 children and you must look for work. You were not working when you did this. So what's gonna change now? And the community ke azange zidlale naye imlimazile because ufike enesandla esiphukile there with the broken arm when he came for the bail hearing. He's not going to get bail, this guy. Umuphi umuntu owenza into enesihluku esinje and think they're going to get away with it? Like, what were you even thinking? 5 children at the time, and you haven't been working, and manje you come up with stories. You know, I am asking for bail because I need to take care of my children. But you never thought of that this whole time. And Duma Bongeka did relate the story. No, actually, going on with him. You know? During his bail hearing, Bashil actually is better off inside jail. Even outside Yambon is not safe. The community is like, we are waiting. So Yambon is not gonna end well. Mundagatale jail. And faces music. Usilelo. And Bongega's one eye, the doctors have reported it can be saved. The other. Sfiganin,